Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up for you guys. Ten of Cups, Eight of Swords, the Moon. Leos, with these cards, I feel you are happy, content where you are. This may be relating to your work or in your relationship, but somebody is working against you guys. Someone who are thinking of you as their rival. This may be in your work or someone from your family. They are really jealous of you for what you have, guys. Some kind of jealousy. They may be trying to work against you, deceive you, trick you in some way, and because of jealousy, because of what you have. Or maybe some of you all are sick, maybe some kind of minor illness, or someone from your family, they may be sick, something minor maybe, but you are in some kind of trouble. Something is worrying you, maybe today, guys. The reason may be something like what things are happening today. Some kind of situation has come up that was not what was expected. That may be the reason for these worries or stress. So other than that, I feel in this relationship you have that contentment and you're happy, but you have some minor troubles. That is the energy here, guys, and somebody is working against you. This may be in your work or in your relationship, guys. Someone is working against you, maybe to separate you and your person. Maybe someone from your family or friends whom you trust, they don't like this relationship, they don't like your person, so they are doing something to harm this relationship. That is the energy here. So let us see what is coming, the other set of cards, Leos. Cross, Tower, Letter. Leos, with this cards, I think you are getting some kind of change in your life. Maybe some burdens. You are releasing yourself from some burdens, and something is definitely ending, guys. Maybe this rivalry or someone who's trying to deceive you, that situation may be coming to an end. This is a very positive card, guys. So some kind of good news is coming your way. Maybe if you are in a long distance relationship, this person is sending you an email, greeting card, or some kind of communication, and some kind of burdens are going off from your shoulders. Some kind of responsibilities you are giving up, to get more freedom. So that may be the energy here. Some kind of ordeals or suffering what you were going through, today you are going to overcome, guys. So maybe for some of you all, you are turning towards some kind of belief. You are devoted to some kind of belief, and you find time to pursue some meditation or prayers or something of that sort, guys. And you are going in that path. And for some of you all, you may have a great change in your emotional being, in your your spiritual being, that you realize your life's purpose, what you want to do, what you want to achieve. So some major changes are coming your way, some deep understanding is happening within yourselves and what you want to become, and some major changes in your beliefs, guys. What you think and believe, you are going to what to say, see the clear path in your belief system, whatever it is that you have. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, Leos. Honor life cycles. So just like our physical cycle, our physical body has certain needs, so we take into consideration, we do some dieting or some healthy habits to maintain good health. The same way, we need to take care of our mental health and our emotional health, guys. So whatever changes the universe is bringing towards us, it is just for us to grow emotionally and spiritually. So sometimes this transition is very easy, but sometimes it is very difficult. So you need to understand how things are going, guys, to understand the flow, and you should realize that everything changes in this world. So even we change over time by all the situations and by all the lessons we learn, by all experiences that we are having. So that is the angels guidance for us today, guys. So whatever changes are coming our way, we should accept it as the lessons that are shown to us by the universe, and it is that is guiding us, or it is our belief system, whatever we believe in, that is guiding us through these changes, these great cycles in our life. So that is the energy here, Leos, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.